Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the original NES controller. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this controller, and to begin we're going to draw in the one big rectangle first. And this is not the outside of the controller, this is the inside part. So it's just going to be one big rectangle. So you can use a ruler or any kind of drawing aid to help you draw these straight lines, or you can just have it a little bit wobbly, that's okay too. Alright, and then once we have this, come out just slightly, and then I'm going to draw another line, just kind of going all the way around it. So this will be the edge of the controller. Alright, and then from here, on this point, we're going to go up a little bit higher, and then we'll come all the way across. And we'll connect this part up. Alright, so now that we have the overall shape of the controller, let's add in the details inside. So right here on this side, so it's pretty close to the corner here, there's a little directional pad here. So I'm just going to add one square first. So that's the center, and now we're going to draw in the left, right, and up and down. So right here, I'm just going to draw another square. And one more on this side. And then now for the up and down. And then one square down here. Okay, and we can add in the little arrows. Just 4 little triangles. Okay, and then the center, I think it's kind of like a circle. Alright, so now that we have this, let's add in the little 2 buttons on the side here. So just come all the way across. It's going to be the same line here, close to the corner. I'll draw one line first, and I'll turn that into a square. And then give a little bit of space, draw another square, the same thing. So the hardest part about this is just getting the proportion right. But even if the proportion is a little bit off, it's okay too, because it'll still look like the controller. So within these squares right here, I'm going to draw in the circle. So this will be the button itself. Alright, and then we'll label everything later. Let's add in there's some more buttons in the center here. So right between here, same line here, I'm just going to draw one line on the bottom. And then from here we'll go up almost as high as this. Come across. So this is going to be one long rectangle. And then inside there's going to be 2 buttons. So right here, just going to draw one bracket. And then one more here. And then we'll just connect that. Okay, and then there's going to be some details right here. There's going to be 3 little bars. So I'm just going to draw right over it, one. Turn that into a rectangle. Draw another one. And then one more. So one line, and this one's just going to go all the way up. Okay, and then on the bottom here, there's another one of these bars. And this one's going to be a lot skinnier. So just come across and then come down, just close everything off. Okay, and then for the wiring, just curve, and then we'll just go draw another one, give it some thickness. Okay, and then let's label everything. So right here, This one is A. This one's B. It's a little bit hard to see. Might not be able to go so small with this Sharpie. And then right here, this one's select and this one's start. So I'm just gonna start on this one first then. It's a little bit hard to see with this thick Sharpie. So this one's select. And then lastly right here, Nintendo. So right above this. I'll just write Nintendo. And that is it for this original NES controller. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.